tell me, how is your life up against it?
Ruthless. My style is a juvenile. Ran with a gang. Slanged in the meanwhile. Bang.
Yo, welcome back to another video.
What's
We
good?
out here with Andrew the Bull.
Yes, sir. Shut up.
Ugly ass.
All right. So we have a big plan for today. You see this? Coke bottles, chlorine. I think you guys already know what's gonna happen.
I swear to God, I'm doing it all off the roof. Watch. You don't understand what I'm gonna do right now.
Oh, look who's here.
Yo, it's good, Smurf. All this shit, bro. Alright, we need everything. If I'm going off the roof, I need a parachute.
Well, yeah. Get a kickflip for me real quick.
Yeah, okay. How much should I land this?
$20 right now. With the hammer in your hand?
Yeah. Bitch! Motherfucker!
Deal's the deal.
Alright, yeah, now you try it.
I can't even get the board. Okay, first of all, I've never skated besides fucking Cali. So here we go. I don't even know what to do. I don't even know how to get my board up.
You can't even stop. Go. Bro, what the fuck? We need a funnel. Yo, my luck, I can probably find a body back here. All this shit.
Chill. Yo, just get a gasoline.
Get a gasoline?
Yeah, get a gasoline. Yep, I was English.
Bro, we just spent like 40 bucks on chlorine. Bro, we have like 4 packets of it.
Alright, get your handy dandy fucking pliers.
Bro, it's gonna go right in my eye.
Holy shit.
I think it's too small now. Like that hole.
That's what she said.
Fucked up.
Dude, we should get a plate or something.
No.
I didn't know it was like a block like that.
Get a plate.
Get a plate?
Yeah. Listen, kids, before we do this, alright? Safety first. Let's
Look
get
at
it.
this dude.
Let's get it. Give me the plate.
You want a plate?
Fuck this, bro. That shit's not fucking working. Oh, shit.
Let me get a swing or two.
Wait. Safety.
Safety?
Alright, yeah, I can't breathe. You gotta chill. Let's get this over here. Yo, what do we do? We're just gonna flip it like upside down, I guess?
No.
And just see if it goes flying up?
We have 5 bottles. We can test it for
Yeah, we can test it out. I definitely want to go off the roof, though. Alright, bro, honestly, we could probably use this.
Wait, question. Who just has a cinder block in their backyard?
Bro, I swear you can find anything back here. Look at that. Yeah, we can even do 2 at once. Kill 2 birds with 2 cokes.
You heard that correctly, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have our boy Ryan film over here.
Go follow his Insta.
No. I guess I'll pour this stuff in, right? And then you're just gonna close
I'll
the
have
cap.
to close it and then shake
and then
it.
shake it and flip it upside down.
That smells terrible.
Oh
my god. As soon as you picked it up, I got a whiff.
Alright, so I guess here, wait, I'm gonna put this in a cup.
Dude, that's
Oh, I think half of it went in my mouth. You ready?
So,
Bro, you gotta be quick.
am I pouring it upside down too?
Yeah, flip it right upside down. How much should I put? A lot?
You wanna? Oh, yeah. What are you
Yeah.
doing? What the fuck? Oh, yo.
Close it. No, that's not enough.
That's
Put more,
plenty,
put more.
that's plenty.
You think so? Oh, hell
Upside down?
Yeah, upside down. Oh, hell no.
Watch out. There's no way it takes that.
Yo, look how wide it got, though. Yo, throw something at it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're gonna hit me. Yo, you do not have aim, bro. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick it up. Watch out. I'm gonna pick it up.
Throw it up in the air.
Throw it.
Oh, wait, let me get up here. Alright, yeah, give me the bottle.
Yeah, Ryan.
POV,
That's you.
POV. I'm not touching it. You got the POV on it.
Dude, I'm so scared. It's really up.
No, bro. Alright.
Yo, where are you throwing it? Here, give
Oh,
it.
yeah, this shit's rock solid. 3, 2, should I throw it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, go.
Oh, that's close.
Oh! That didn't go anywhere.
No,
You need a lot more, actually.
We gotta try it again.
we fucked up.
Oh, close it.
fuck.
Yo, give me it. We fucked up.
We put too much in.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, on my eyes.
Yeah, I know.
I swear to God, my eyes.
Set. Go, close it. Did you get enough, you think? Yeah. Flip it. Oh, shit.
What are you doing?
It's gonna work.
It's not doing shit.
Throw it up high, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Fuck.
Oh!
I could have caught that. Thing. Watch out.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, I can't close it. Oh, yo, it's getting fucking
this
hard.
one's gonna blow up.
Oh. Andrew. You know what?
One more. Are we gonna throw it off the roof?
Yeah, this one's going off the roof. I might bust ass.
Yep. Ready?
He said ball.
Oh,
Oh, it's coming down. God damn it.
We're fucked. Oh!
Man. Bitch!
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1. That was
That's it?
I almost fell off the roof for that.
Yo, I'm never doing that shit again, I swear to God. Whose idea was this, yours?
Yes.
Bro, never again. We spent like 30 bucks for no reason. But listen, me and Andrew got a basketball game. We gotta go cross some kids up. Should we get there?
Yeah, let's go.
Whoa. Bob.
Oh, here he goes!
Damn, yo, we just lost that game by 1 fucking point.
In real life, I would think that I'm going to an airport with a mask on. It's all crooked.